Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to the Alif Analytics podcast where we are going live with the second webinar of data science and machine learning, and with me is Anis Akhtar. He is an industry expert and data scientist, and along with Anis is Kaniz Aisha. She is also leading this webinar and will be teaching you that how you can become a data scientist and machine learning expert. And in webinar 2 we are going to learn about the data science and machine learning applications in the modern business. And this session also has another bonus, I would say, like a bonus training for you, and that will be related to like LinkedIn profiling and how you can find jobs and clients and basically remote jobs as a data scientist and machine learning expert using LinkedIn. So we'll be going through each and everything. So before going through the session, let me first of all let me connect with you all and just type in the chat section that who you are and from where you are joining this live session. Now, this live session is being basically it's being streamed live on YouTube, also on LinkedIn, also on Facebook. So thank you so much, Adama. Thank you so much. Good morning to you for joining us in this LinkedIn live session. So just type in the chat section that from where you are joining this session and what is your skill set and why you want to become part of this webinar series that is being brought to you by Alif Analytics podcast. And Alif Analytics is going to help you win in the age of AI, helping you to grow in the age of AI through different trainings and different programs, different webinars. So, those who have joined us in this live webinar, just type in the chat section that from where you have joined us and what is your skill set. So, Adama, you have joined us, and thank you so much and good morning. So, Anis, I think we need to start this session, and people are going to join us as soon as the session is going to proceed. So, Anis, now the session is over to you, and then you are going like through the session. Okay, Anis.
Okay, thank you, Ishtaq. Am I audible to all? Can you please confirm?
Yes, you are audible. Just for 1 minute, more people have joined us now, and let me go through the first of all communicate with those. Like first of all, welcome those people. And we have Junaid Akram from Faisalabad, and he want to learn about data science. That's why he want to join this session. We have Marwan Abdul Rahman, and he has also joined us. Welcome, Marwan. And we have Abidullah. He's basically Abidullah, don't worry, we will have a Q&A session at the end of this webinar, and we will answer you each and everything. Now we have Sayed Salik Ali. He's bachelor in mechanical engineering from Karachi. Welcome, Salik, to this live session. Those people who have joined us in this live session, just type in the comment section that from where you have joined us and what is your skill set. We'll be starting this session within 2 to 3 minutes. We have also Muhammad Tayyib, and Muhammad Tayyib has joined us from Bahawalpur, and he is a student of computer science with deep passion for machine learning and data science. Welcome, Muhammad Tayyib, and you're going to learn about data science and machine learning in this webinar. And also, like we have a master class coming, Alif Analytics, we have industry experts, and they will be leading you through the 6 weeks of the data science and machine learning masterclass, and we have only few slots left. So, but before joining that, you need to attend this webinar and learn about data science and machine learning. And Anis, along with Kaniz, are going to share with you, are going to explain each and everything about the data science and machine learning. So we also have Usama Zaid from Lahore, and he is a Google certified data analyst. Welcome, Usama, to this live session. We have Hafiz Umair, and he is a computer science graduate from Atak. Welcome, Hafiz Umair, to this live session. Thank you for joining. Okay, so we have also Muhammad Hassan Jalal and Muhammad Hassan Jalal and Zishan Alam, Azaz Alam Khan, Hafiz Alam. Okay, so thank you so much. You have mentioned a lot of people and you joined us from Facebook. So people are also joining us from Facebook also, Facebook Live. And we have Fazal from Bangladesh and he is a certified telesales team lead. Thank you so much, Fazal Rabi, for joining us in this live session. So just type in the chat section that who you are and from where you have joined this session, what is your skill set, because we just want to lead this session as per your skill set. We want to introduce some examples, we want to have some like share with you the examples so that you can learn about data science. So we have Yumna Mahmood and Walaikum Salam, and she want to learn about data science. And yes, Yumna, you have joined a really like a wonderful session that is being led by the industry experts. So you are from Pakistan. Thank you so much, Yumna, for joining us. So we will have an insightful session along with the industry experts. They will be sharing with you about the data science and machine learning applications in modern businesses. And also, along with that, we will have a LinkedIn for job searching and for client hunting session at the end of this, like in the at the end of this webinar. So we have Muhammad Furqan, and he is electrical engineer, and he have a question. So don't worry, Muhammad Furqan, just stay till the end, and we are going to answer all of your questions. Don't worry. So we have some more people joining us, and Talal Ahmed Siddiqui, business analyst from Tech Advisor UK. Thank you so much, Talal, for joining us in this live session. So basically, we have experts from the industry, Anis Akhtar and Kaniz Aisha. They'll be leading this session. This is the second webinar. If you people have missed the first webinar of data science and machine learning, then you can just go to the Alif Analytics page on LinkedIn and you can just check the first webinar there. Don't. But before checking that, you need to join this webinar and you need to learn about data science and machine learning applications in modern businesses, along with LinkedIn profiling and optimization and job searching and client hunting techniques. Is an IT expert, as an IT engineer in this session. So we have Mamrez Babar Khan, a data engineer from Pakistan. Welcome, Mamrez, to this live session. Thank. So we also have Usama Munawar. Thank you, Usama, for joining us. So I think, Anis, we need to start now. You don't need to wait them for more time, and so you can just start now, and we have more people joining us during the session. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ishtiyaq. Uh, so welcome everyone. It's our webinar series of Mastering Data Science and Machine Learning. So it's webinar 2, that is Data Science and Machine Learning Applications in Modern Businesses. So in last week, we had webinar 1, where we have introduced data science and machine learning. So I'll be one of the speaker. Along with me, we have Kaniz and Ishtiyaq. So first of all, a little bit about me, who I am. I am Anis, and I am an electronics engineer, and I have 6 years of telecom industry experience. I have worked with top telecom organizations of Pakistan. And lately, I have been associated with the IT training and development industry, and have trained more than 100 IT professionals in field of data analytics, data science, and machine learning. So, Ishtaq, please introduce yourself.
Thank you so much, Anis. Basically, I'm an electrical engineer and currently I'm working as manager digitalization at PTCL IO. Currently also working with Alif Analytics, and along with that, I'm the founder of Hustlers Launchpad, where we are going to help freelancers and entrepreneurs build their online empire in the age of AI. I have more than 100K followers on LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and also I'm working as a marketing consultant at Yobi, that is an AI startup. So that's a brief introduction about me, and I will be leading the LinkedIn profile optimization and how you can search jobs, how you can find freelance clients is an IT professional using LinkedIn in this session and also in the upcoming masterclass.
Can you please introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi everyone, hope you all are having a great day. I'm Kaniz Asha and I'm an experienced data scientist with more than 1 year of experience in industry. I have worked with multiple international clients and I got some expertise in cloud, Python, data science, Spark, SQL, ETL, data warehousing and Databricks. I'm graduated from Kaidiasim University in IT and today I'm here because I'm associated with Aleph Analytics in their training and development of mastering data science and machine learning. So let's get started. So this is the agenda of our webinar. First, we are going to explain about artificial intelligence and its evolution. Then we will get you all excited about data science, and then we will explain about data science and machine learning applications in different industry. And lastly, we will explain about LinkedIn profile optimization and getting jobs or clients on LinkedIn. So let's get started. Anisa, please explain our audience about artificial intelligence and its evolution.
Yeah, sure. So, guys, the artificial intelligence is a buzzword, and it is from the last century. If you're starting from 1950s, the first time it was coined when Alan Turing created the Turing test. Uh, and it is a test that was introduced in machines to put some sort of intelligence in them, distinguished from the human beings. Okay, so starting from 1950s, in 1960s, 1970s, and 1980s, the rule-based systems and the knowledge-based systems and the expert-based systems were developed over 3 decades. And in 1990s, the scientists have developed the neural network. With its back propagation, they have developed the first program that was a chess playing bot, and they were managed to beat the world chess champion that was at that time, that was Gary Kasparov. So that was quite fascinating. And in late 2000 and 2010, with the advancement in computing power, we have further development of deep learning algorithms, and we've started working on image data and voice data and speech data instead of classical tabular data. Okay, so there are three key factors that we need to keep in mind. So, as you can see, the machine learning, the concepts and algorithms are from the last century. But what happened in this century that changed the industries? Okay, so if we start from top, the first thing is that now we have a lot of data, and we will look at this in next slide, that how much data we currently have. And the second thing is the computer power, the electronics that has enhanced our past century. So the computing power and the storage power that we have now is unprecedented. Okay, and the third thing is now the computers are quite powerful and we have a lot of data. They are able to solve complex problems, okay, for us in short amount of time, and while consuming low amount of energy. Okay, so these were the key factors that enabled AI in current age. Okay, so if you look at the data, the amount of data we have, almost all of us have all these applications installed on our smartphones, okay, or either we are using them on our laptops or PCs or whatever device we have. So you can imagine that how much data we are generating right now. Okay, even we are broadcasting this webinar on multiple platforms. You can see that even if we, for example, if we are broadcasting this on YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever platform we have right now, so we are broadcasting this data and it is being generated in runtime. Okay, so The idea, so let's see why data science is a buzzword nowadays and why it is important to learn about it. Okay, so the first thing is we have too much data nowadays, but the data that is being generated, until unless we get some insights from that data is not useful for us. Okay, so for that we need some tools, some people, and some processes and some machines. And tools are there, processes are there, machines are there, but we also need people that will work on that data using the tools and machines, and that will extract some insights and that will do some predictive modeling on them. Okay, so for that, if we see the job market, the current job market, only in US, we have 150,000 plus jobs available. And we can verify this right now. If you go to any job searching platform such as LinkedIn or Glassdoor, you can find you will find thousands of jobs, specifically in Fortune 500 organizations. Okay, related to data. You'll find jobs for data engineers, data scientists, data analysts, data annotators, data architects. So you will find a lot of jobs around this term. Okay. So let's see what are the some of the applications. Now, Kaniz will explain us some of the applications that we can have in our current industry regarding data science and machine learning. Okay.
Okay, sure. Um, Data science and machine learning applications in industries. As you already know that modern day application businesses cannot exist without machine learning algorithm. Machine learning is used in wide variety of industries, either it's telecom, finance, business, healthcare, retails, e-commerce, educations, and even entertainment companies. All of them are using data science and machine learning to advance their business and customer engagement. Let's discuss some of the use cases from industry. The first one is churn prevention. Churn prevention model basically predicts which customers are likely to leave a company, product, or services, and then we take steps to prevent them from leaving. The second one is customer lifetime value. Customer lifetime value predictive models basically predicts the total revenue a customer will generate for a company over their lifetime, and then company use this information to maximize the value or revenue of each customer over time. The third one is customer segmentation. Customer segmentation is basically grouping customers of same categories, behavior, and preferences to improve marketing strategies and customer satisfaction. The next one is next best action or next best offer. The next best action recommends the most relevant products or services for our customer, and this increase customer revenue. The next one is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance predicts when a machine is likely to fail or increase downtime, and companies use this information to take some actions such as scheduling maintenance to prevent downtime and failure. The next one is product propensity. Product propensity modeling recommends which product or service a customer is most likely to purchase, and companies can use this to provide targeted recommendations of products, services to increase customer engagement and revenue. The next one is quality assurance. Quality assurance basically predicts defects or quality issues in products or services, and companies use these to take actions to prevent defective products from reaching customers and ensure product quality. The next one is risk modeling. The risk modeling predicts the impact of a risk, and companies use this for managing the risk by implementing risk reducing activities. The next one is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis predicts the emotional tone of a text, either it's a negative, positive, or a neutral. And companies use this information to understand customer opinion and attitude towards their products and services, and use this to improve their marketing and product strategies. On to next slide. The next one is upselling and cross selling. Upselling and cross selling is an approach that analyzes customer data to understand their behavior, preferences, and purchase history, and then we use this information to recommend additional products or services that increase revenue. The next one is predicting buying behavior of customers. Predicting buying behavior involves analyzing data to predict products or services customers are likely to purchase, and companies use this information to improve customer engagement and increase revenue. The next one is fraud detection. Fraud detection involves analyzing large amount of data to detect patterns and anomalies that may indicate fraudulent behavior of a customer. And then companies take actions to prevent fraud and minimize financial losses. The next one is healthcare diagnosis. Healthcare diagnosis involves analyzing patient data to predict patients' diseases or medicines best suited for these diseases. And after that, doctors use this information to provide personalized and effective care. The next one is content recommendation. Content recommendation uses data of user preferences and behavior to suggest personalized content such as article, videos, or products that are best according to user interests. The next one is virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are computer programs for human conversation that provide automated customer support, assistance, and information such as chatbots and ChatGPT. The next one is campaign management. Campaign management uses data of customer behavior and preferences to make personalized marketing recommendations, such as which product or services to offer, which marketing channels to use, and how to optimize marketing campaign. The last one is volume prediction. Volume prediction uses data to forecast future volumes of sales, websites traffic, customer inquiries, or any other business metrics that varies over time. So that's all data science and machine learning applications. On to next slide. So, Ishtiyaq sir, please explain LinkedIn profile optimizations to our audience.
Thank you so much, Kaniz and Anis, for sharing about the data science and machine learning and different models and different type of practical examples and industry examples that how and where it can be used. We have a lot of people who are watching us on three different channels on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and on YouTube. I will also go with the LinkedIn profile optimization, and I will this like our upcoming masterclass of data science and machine learning, along with the data science and machine learning lessons and different concepts over the 6 weeks. We also will have a LinkedIn profile optimization, how you can search for the jobs as an IT specialist, as an IT professional, and how you can find clients, how you can find projects as an IT professional using LinkedIn. Like we'll be covering each and everything in that masterclass also. You do not need to worry about anything like you will only learn technical things and then you are going to worry about it now how I'm going to optimize my LinkedIn profile so the recruiters and decision makers are going to see my profile, they are going to make a decision about me and how I'm going to grow my brand as an IT professional. So we are going to share each and everything about that, and along with that we are also going to share about how you can create a CV, like CV writing, cover letter writing. All of these things are going to be shared in that masterclass also, and also how you're going to apply for those jobs. We will also share some tips about interviews also, and how you can crack a data science and machine learning interview in any organization, either remotely or either you are working there for an on-site job. So you don't need to worry about that it's only being a technical course and we are going to cover each and everything about data science and machine learning. Yes, 90% is going to be data science and machine learning, but 10% part it's going to be covered about in order to help you how you are going to sell yourself in the market, how you are going to present yourself, how you are going to brand yourself in the market as a data scientist and machine learning expert. So now I believe like this whole LinkedIn profile optimization and everything cannot be covered in just 15 to 20 minutes, but I will give you an overview of that in this. And if you have any questions, then you can just ask in the chat section and also in the comment section, and we are going to answer all of your questions. But stay till the end. We will have a Q&A session, and also we have a gift for you, and then you can also download that gift and join that like I will disclose that gift at the end. Just you need to stay till the end. So let me share the screen, and I will just amaze you with one of the most insightful information that you won't believe. Like till now, you won't believe that either this can happen or this can be possible. Like so many jobs of data science. Like just and is my screen is visible now? I think my
Yes, your
screen
screen
is
is visible.
okay, okay. Now I'm going to share this information that many people are thinking about, that we cannot find jobs on LinkedIn, and we are going to share with you the techniques and strategies that how you can find jobs, how you can apply for the jobs that will help you. Like those strategies are going to help you get hired on LinkedIn. But one information that many people think that LinkedIn cannot help me find jobs, but they can't find this information that more than 123,000 jobs of data scientists are open worldwide, and many of these jobs are remote jobs. Like you are going to earn like thousands of dollars from the comfort of your home. Okay, so you are going to work remotely with different international companies as a data scientist, and you can easily find these jobs in different parts of the world. And like it depends upon your experience, you can easily find different remote jobs. And like 23,000 remote jobs are available or open in the past 1 week. So these are all different jobs, and we are going to share with you, we are going to help you learn that how you can apply for all these type of jobs, remote or on-site jobs or hybrid type of jobs on LinkedIn. So now, before applying for those jobs, how you are going to optimize your LinkedIn profile, so I'm going to share with you. And let me open the a profile of someone other, because this LinkedIn live session is here on. So I'm going to share the profile of Anis Akhtar. He's a data scientist. Because you are going to become a data scientist, you are interested in becoming a data scientist. So the first thing that you need to have is the LinkedIn cover photo. Now we have this. Like when there's a LinkedIn live session on your profile, then this LinkedIn live session is visible here. But you need to have a cover photo. And let me open another profile because let me just go through. And yes, now the first thing that you need to have on your profile is your LinkedIn cover photo, and you need to optimize your LinkedIn cover photo. And it just like acts like a banner, like I would say like a banner, in like in the sense that like an advertising board. Like you would have seen those advertising boards and signs on the roads, and it just act like the same. And here you are going to tell about you're going to showcase your skill set, like on this profile. Now you like you need to have your full name, and also you need to have a headline, and this headline need to show like this. Anis has already optimized this LinkedIn headline: data scientist is zone trainer and XU phone and PTCL. So you need to also optimize your LinkedIn headline. You need to have a professional profile picture, and also then you need to have a summary or about section. Now this about section is really really important, because it summarizes everything about you in just 1000 to 2000 characters. Then you need to have a feature section, and feature section is really important. Like when you visit any shop or any market, then you would have seen that they just feature or showcase their top products in their like just on front, so that they can attract the customers. So the same is that you also need to feature your top products. Like Anis has posted some sessions, some different certifications here on his LinkedIn profile. So he has featured all of these things in order to attract the clients, attract the different recruiters, or his target audience. Now you need to have like you need to add experience, and experience do not need to be like just in terms of responsibilities, but you need to mention that how many projects you have completed, how like what is how is your experience with the specific skill set, or with a specific tool, or with a specific company. You need to mention some numbers, like number of projects completed, what you did as per those responsibilities that were given to you. Also, you need to mention like each and every experience, and also you need to add media, some certifications, awards, pictures, and different other things. You need to aid like education. Also you need to aid licenses and certifications, and in this master class that is going to be launched on for the 13th of May. We all like you can also earn a certificate in data science and machine learning. So don't worry, this Alpha Analytics is a registered company, and you will also get certificate after completing this masterclass. So you can also mention 50 skill sets, like skills, like in the skill section, and also you can have recommendations. Recommendations are really important. They are just like reviews. Like for example, if you visit any website on any platform and you see that there are products and these products have reviews, so the same is you are just acting like a digital product here, and you need to have a review or recommendation from someone so that you can gain trust from from the potential recruiter or from your client. So this is how you are going to optimize your LinkedIn profile. But like I told you already that you cannot optimize like I cannot share each and everything in just a 15 to 20 minutes of session. So in order to learn about each and everything about that, how you are going to become a data scientist and machine learning expert, and also how you are going to optimize your LinkedIn profile, how you are going to design your CV and cover letter, how you are going to apply for the jobs worldwide, for the remote jobs and also for the on-site jobs on LinkedIn. And after applying, you are going to be called for the interview also. So we are going to share with you all the techniques and tips and strategies in this 6 weeks of masterclass. Here are a few more details about this masterclass. Like if you want to become a high paying data scientist and machine learning expert, and believe me, data science is one of the fastest growing career in the world. Like there are a lot of layoffs happening, but data science is one of the stable job, and it also offers a promising career and high salaries also. Like I told you already, there are 123,000 plus data science jobs are open now. Like in just past week, like if just I push it to past month, then it will be around 400,000. So also, an average American makes $119,000 a year as a data scientist. So there's a lot of potential, and you can easily earn $3,000 to $5,000 per month as a data scientist. And Aleph Analytics has brought you a great opportunity to learn from the industry experts and become a high-paying data scientist. Now, there are a lot of other things about this, and this masterclass covers everything. Like it will help you, like it will take you on a journey from beginner to expert in no time. Like in just 6 weeks, you are going to learn about each and everything about data science and machine learning, and along with that, you will also learn about LinkedIn profile optimization. This is the course content. I will not go through it much deeper into it, so you can just check it here on my profile and also on the Aleph Analytics page. And like I told you already, that you will also learn LinkedIn profiling, CV writing, job searching, like how you can search jobs, how you can find clients, find projects as a data scientist. And like you will learn different things. Now, what is the duration of this masterclass? It will be 6 weeks, and one bonus week and one bonus session related to profile optimization and job searching and each and everything. uh, the, uh, we will have 3 classes, 3 hours classes per day. And like the class duration will be 3 hours, up to 3 hours. And the classes will be on Saturday and Sunday, and you do not need to worry about the weekdays that like you'll be busy with your office and like any other thing. So you do not need to worry about it, and we will have classes on Saturday and Sunday. And if you have missed those classes because of any issue or any private or public issue, then you can also have recordings of those classes also. So we are starting from 13th May, and there are some other questions that can you get a job after this course? We are going to share with you all these strategies and techniques, and also we will also help and recommend our shining students in the industry for the different relevant positions. We are going to guide you step by step through each and everything. What sort of projects will be part of this live training? Like this training will include multiple real-time industry-based projects which will harness your skills as per current industry standards and prepare you for the future career needs. So you do not need to worry about that it will be only a theoretical based training. No, we are going to like share with you some theoretical knowledge, but we will also share like have multiple like industry based projects which will help you hone your skills, and like 70 to 75% it will be practical knowledge. And also the same is with the LinkedIn profiling, and you will also get a certificate. And Aleph Analytics, again I'm saying that Aleph Analytics is a registered company, and you will get a certificate that you can use anywhere. So this is the pricing plan, and we have only few slots left. You need to hurry up and you need to join this masterclass, because again I'm saying that from the next page, from the page 2, the prices are going to be increased by 20%. So we have only few slots left, and you need to join this page 1, because we are being overwhelmed by the response from the different like students, also from the international students and professionals. They want to join this masterclass, but we have only limited slots left, and you need to join this masterclass batch 1, and either from the batch 2 you are going to pay 20% more prices. So you can just have calculations of these prices. And if you want to become a high paying data scientist and machine learning expert, and you can reach us. And it's not, again I'm saying, it's not only a technical course. We are going to help you get hired. We are going to help you optimize your LinkedIn profile, help you get interviews. So you don't need to worry about anything, and you need to just reach Aleph Analytics. And again, you need to follow Aleph Analytics on Instagram, on Facebook, and on LinkedIn, and also we are going, we are also coming on Twitter also. So and also we have a YouTube channel also, so you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel. So don't worry about anything. Again, I'm saying that we have only limited slots left, and you can join this masterclass now, or you are going to pay like at least 20% more fee for the next page. So now, Anis, I think we are going to move towards the Q&A, and again, and then I will share a gift with all the participants, and they can download that gift, and also they will receive this like document in their emails also, so they can learn more about it. And if they want to learn more about and need more details about this masterclass, they can just reach us through like social media, through LinkedIn, or they can also reach me. So if you are going to share anything more, else I'm going to move toward the Q&A.
Sure, we can move to Q&A.
Okay, now if you have any questions related to this session, like data science, machine learning, LinkedIn profile optimization, or any questions related to this masterclass, then you can just write in the chat section, and I'm going to answer all of your questions. So also during the session, more people have joined us. Syed Muhammad Ammar, he's a data scientist and software engineer. Welcome, Ammar, to this session. We also have Anis, we have a question from Noman Khan, and he want you to explain how to use AI in mobile application development. That if you have some insight related to that, then you can share. Uh,
Well, yeah, we can use AI in mobile app development, although I'm not a mobile developer, but yeah, we can use it. What we can use it, we can train our model on some sort of data. Maybe if you're using mobile, probably it would be either a sensor data or images, or maybe a video. So you'll train your model, and then you will integrate that model into your mobile application. Okay, so there are multiple tools available for that. So yes, you can do it.
okay, so we have Shohanur Rahman, data mining expert from Bangladesh, I think. And we have Ishtiaq Ali. Ishtiaq Ali is my friend also. What's the minimum qualification required for this? Do you have to be engineer or must have a bachelor's degree? Yes, Anis, you can share something related to that.
Yeah, there is no minimum requirement as far as the education degree is concerned, because in my recent batches, I have students. They are either doing A levels, and I have students from different bachelor programs, and I have students from different master programs. And there are multiple professionals that have up to 20 years of experience in industry, and they are still learning data science and machine learning. So yeah, there is no minimum requirement. There are just two things that are required. The first thing is the passion and hard work and time, obviously, that you need to do. And the second thing is obviously the dedication. If you are dedicated, then you can learn it.
Uh, Thank you, Furkan, for joining this session. Sorry, I was mute. We don't have a physical center at this moment in Karachi. We will have a physical center in Islamabad soon. But for the next 2 to 3 batches, we will be delivering the online sessions, and then and you don't like you do not need to worry about that if there will be any difference between physical and online. Everything will be delivered. Through online session, and there will be some really like you will have very like variable sessions also. So like you do not need to worry about anything that there will be any difference between physical and online. You will have insightful sessions. I think there's some issue happened. And if your mic is open, I think there is some noise at your end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Am I audible now?
Yes, yes, you are audible. So
Okay,
we
so we
have another
have a
question.
question. Yeah.
We have another question from Kalsoon Jabeen. What is the eligibility criteria if there is any? I'm from a non-tech background. Okay, Nis, if you can answer. I think you already answered this question, but you can just uh,
Yeah, but I can add to it. She did not mention from which non-tech background she is from. But yeah, people can easily join specifically that have degrees in business administration. So they can you can apply data science in marketing, HR, finance, and if you are a salesperson, you can apply data science in sales. If you are a medical person, you can apply data science in different medical or healthcare diagnosis problems. So yeah, that really depends which industry you are from. But people are really doing data science in their industries. So this is a good thing about computer science, that you can apply computer science into any industry, and you can make a blend that will help you grow in your industry. Okay, so yeah, you can really start data science.
Okay, thank you so much, Anis, for answering. And we have a question from Shazeb Ali. Shazeb, we have a brief introduction of data science and everything. Uh, like if you can just replay this session. Now it's live, and if you can just replay this session, you will find
Yeah,
everything about data science.
actually, let me answer it.
Yes,
Let me
yes.
give you a brief introduction. So, what we did is in our last webinar, we explored the basics of data science and machine learning. So, in this webinar, we covered the applications of data science in different industries. So, what is data science? In few simple words, data science is applying some science on data and trying to extract some insights from the data, that you can make intelligent decisions and informed decisions for your business. Okay, so yeah, that's a very simple definition of data science.
Okay, so we have another question from Junaid Akram and Anis. I have a question. You share some applications. Kindly display here. Explain what is the purpose of these applications. I think you have shared some applications, and he want to ask about the purpose of these applications.
Yeah. Actually, Kanish shared a few of different data science applications that were related to telecom industry, healthcare industry, banking industry. Uh, uh, Going through each every of the use case would be quite time consuming. So, Junaid, what you can do is you can rewind this webinar as it will be it is going to be recorded. What you can do is you can rewind the webinar and you can watch that part. Okay, so that will Kanis explained quite well all the applications that I mentioned there.
Dukani, thank you so much, Ishtiaq, for joining this session. Again, thank you. And I think if you have any more questions, then you can just type in the comment section and we are going to answer it. And again, I'm going to share with you that we have a masterclass on data science and machine learning, and that is going to be launched from 13th of May. And let me share the screen with you. And it will be launched from 13th of May, and we have only limited slots available. And from these batch two, the pricing are going to be higher. You're going to pay a higher fee, like 20% more fee. So it's going to be launched from 13th of May, and you will learn about data science, machine learning from the industry experts. And along with that, you will also learn LinkedIn profiling, how you can apply for the jobs, how you can write CV, how you can just like get interviews, and how you can prepare for the interviews. We are going to share each and everything in those sessions, so you do not need to worry about anything. We are going to cover each and everything in this master class, and it will be like a 6 weeks of duration. And I think we have some more questions coming. Thank you so much, Ishtiaq. And let me open. Do it have any utility in construction industry? Shazev is asking that do it have any utility in construction industry? What do you say about this, Anis? Data science and machine learning.
So yeah, what you can do is you can apply data science. As Kanis mentioned, there was a use case of quality assurance. Okay, so you can utilize data science in the quality assurance part in relevant to construction industry. What you can do is you can use the anomaly detection part of data science in finding the anomalies in the structure. So yeah, there could be multiple applications relevant to construction.
Okay, Anis, we have another question from Umar Asif, and the course duration. That he's saying that we need at least 3 months, but I would say that 6 months are going to cover each and everything. But you can answer it much well, like much better. Like in 6 weeks, they're going to learn about each and everything about data science and machine learning, and then it comes to the application part. And we will also share with them the industry, like we will go through the different projects and everything, and they will learn also, like because of the learning part is minimum. And the most of the part will be covered by the practical knowledge and practical different type of examples and models and everything. Like you can share something more about it.
So yeah, it's a very good question. By the way, so the course is going to be quite intensive. Okay, the 6 weeks are going to be quite intensive as far as the learning is concerned, and it will be like equivalent to almost one university course, regular university course that you study in your bachelor's. Okay, So yeah, it's going to be quite contentful, and it's going to be quite intensive. The 6 week will be full of learning. Okay, so yeah, we'll give you some industry exposure, and over the years, we have developed certain techniques related to training and development that we using that techniques we offer our courses in different domains, whether it is data analytics, data science, or machine learning. So what we can do is what we usually do is we apply the 80-20 principle. Okay, so we learn that 20 percent of the data science and machine learning that will affect the 80%, that will have the 80% of applications. Okay, so that's our basic methodology. That's what we do. But these 6 weeks are going to be quite intensive. Okay, it will be a great learning experience for all of you guys.
Yes, definitely. And we have another question from Yumna Mahmood. And what is the payment methodology? And yes, Yumna, you can just reach me on LinkedIn and I will share each and everything about the payment and everything. And we have a question from Ishtiaq. Yes, we have a WhatsApp group created, and just drop me a message on Facebook, and you will. I'll just add you to the group also. Okay, we have another question from Junaid Akram. Yes, I'm going to share the prices again. Ishtiyaq, just give me a second. In the last session, Anis, you tell me about the learn Python firstly, and so can you tell me when you start this, when you learn from any type of suggestion? Anis, you can share about. I think I will share the screen about the course content, and just you will go through the course content because we have 3 to 4 more questions about the course content also. You can just have a brief summary
So
about that.
yeah, Junaid, what we'll do is we'll start from the Python. Okay.
Just let
Yeah,
me.
yeah, Jack. Let's share the screen and I'll go through the contents.
Okay. Now this, I think it's visible now.
Yeah, can you remove the comment from the screen? Uh,
Okay. Just okay. Let me close it and yes, just give me 1 minute. Now it's visible.
yeah, thank you. So what we'll do is we'll start from a brief introduction of data science. Then we'll learn about Python that is relevant to data science and machine learning. After that, we'll do data analysis with Python. And we also need to learn a few concepts of statistics and probability that are essential to data science. Okay, so that will be essential to learning machine learning as well. So the main part would be obviously exploratory data analysis. Without this, the data science is incomplete. Afterwards, we will go for machine learning, and we'll learn supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. And in supervised machine learning, we will explore regression and classification along with multiple algorithms and the most used traditional algorithms in current industry. Uh, and afterwards, for unsupervised machine learning, we'll explore clustering and recommendation systems that are in use nowadays. And obviously, to complete the data science pipeline, we need to know how we can deploy our model. Okay, so we'll do the model deployment as well, cover the model deployment as well. So the students will have the end-to-end experience of data science.
Thank you so much, Anis, for explaining. And again, I am going to share with you that along with each and everything technical, we also will have a career-related part also because you will learn the technical skills, but you need to sell yourself. And we have also included one bonus session for you, and that will not be a 1 hour session, but will be a complete 3 to 4 hours of session. And we are going to share with you how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile, how you can write CV, how you can write cover letter, how you can just apply for the jobs, how you're going to what are the different techniques to earn interviews and actually crack those interviews. So we are going to share each and everything about that. And again, the duration is 6 weeks. and plus one bonus class of LinkedIn profile optimization and each and everything related to career development. And these will be 3 hours classes, and from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Pakistan time. And it can be more than 3 hours. We will have a Q&A session in each class also. And also these classes will be on Saturday and Sunday. Like on weekends, like your normal schedule and weekdays will not be interrupted. And if you miss those sessions on Saturday and Sunday, then you can also get recordings of all the classes, and then you can watch it later. So you don't need to worry about anything. And it will be starting from 13th of May. And we will have, and here is the pricing. If you are going to join like individually, then you can just pay 22,000 Pakistani rupees. And for a group of two, you can join it with a discount, and for a group of two plus, you can also join with a discount. And just reach us and discuss with us. We have discount offers also. But again, I am saying we have limited slots available. And again, I am saying that the prices are going to be higher, at least 20% higher than the batch one. So you need to just join this batch one in order to like learn each and everything with the lower prices. So let me we have, I think, some more questions. We have shared the course content, Mushtaba. Thank you so much, Mushtaba Nawaz, for joining us. We have Yumna. Thank you, Yumna. And Mamrez Babar Khan, you can just reach me, and also you can just check the LinkedIn profile. Like my LinkedIn profile, this marketing document is available there, and all the details. And you also, my WhatsApp number is present there, and you can just reach me on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, anywhere you want, and I will share each and everything with you. Uh, okay, so Engineer Sajad Ali, and so data science. Okay. So thank you so much, Shazay, for taking other people and for sharing with your friends. So if you have any questions related to the masterclass, related to the data science, machine learning, LinkedIn profile optimization, you can just drop your question. We have 2 to 3 more minutes here, and then we are going to end this session. Believe me, this masterclass is going to be, I would say, life changer for you. And it's going to be very unique in a way that, first of all, it's going to be taught by the industry experts, not by someone, a random guy who has just learned the data science and then he's sharing his knowledge. Do you need to have special education to background to join? Anis, there is another question for you. I think you have answered this question, but you can shed some more light on this question because this is, I think, a trending question nowadays.
Yeah, we do not need to have a special background, but a computer science background will help. But what you need is, as I shared earlier, a lot of passion, and you'll need hard work, and you'll need dedication and a learning mind, and rest we will handle. Okay, so yeah, uh, hope we will learn data science together.
Thank you so much, Yumna, for joining us in this session. And you can just reach me if you need any more details about masterclass, and I will share the payment details and everything with you. And do not forget to join our webinars. We will have more webinars, more live sessions for you, that you like, with different industry experts in the like in the IT industry, that will help you to grow online as an IT professional in this fast growing, in this AI era. So and again, I'm saying that we have only few start left, and you can just join with 20% more fee if you are going to miss this session. So Anis, uh, so Kalsum Jabeen, thank you so much. We are going to see you in the masterclass also, inshallah. Thank you so much, Kalsum, for joining us. And again, we have only 1 minute left. And if you have any question related to masterclass, you can just uh, post your question, and we are going to answer it. Anis is here. Anis is an industry professional. He's a data scientist. Along with Anis is Kaniz, Aisha, and yes, again I'm saying, Shazeb, this is a certified course. Like, you will also get a certificate because Alif Analytics is a registered company, and you will get the certification also. You do not need to worry about anything. If you have any questions, you can just reach us on the WhatsApp, on LinkedIn. uh, like our team will go like will share each and everything with you in this about this masterclass. And again, I'm saying we have one more masterclass also. There is the Power BI masterclass, and that Power BI masterclass is also coming live. And we will have a webinar on Power BI for the business analysis, for Power BI for the data analytics and visualization next week on the same page, on this also on Facebook, on YouTube, and also on this LinkedIn profile. So you can also join that. But I would again suggest that you if you're interested in to become a data scientist and machine learning professional, then along with career guidance and along with each and everything, you just need to uh, join this masterclass. So waiting for your LinkedIn profile, the six email. Yes, I have a course also that is the email based course. I'm not going to share much more about it, but you will get the day six email tomorrow. Don't worry. Thank you so much, Zaid, for joining. And again, at the end, I'm going to share a gift with you. And I think everyone is waiting for that gift. And I'm going to share it with you. Many people have already joined that session and that masterclass. Just let me share the screen, and we have some more questions coming. I think more people are joining now this session. So because it's been one of the wonderful opportunity for the Pakistani students. Now, just I think my screen is visible now, Anis. Okay. Just visit my LinkedIn profile, and I have four gifts open for you. And like I have locked my LinkedIn profile optimization masterclass, but again I have opened it for a few days, so you can also join it here. But most of the part related to the LinkedIn profile optimization for the job searching and for the career development for the IT professional will be shared in this 6 weeks masterclass. So again, we have a question, and can you share some links to the course contents? Sajad Ali, you can just drop me a message. I will share each and everything, every detail about this masterclass along with the course contents with you through the DM. So don't worry about it. We have already shared each and everything in this masterclass, but again, you can just drop me a message. I will share each and everything about this masterclass. So thank you so much, Anis and Kaniz Aisha, and everyone, those who have joined us, bared us for more than 1 hour in this live session on three different platforms, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, and on Facebook. And again, I am saying that we have a podcast, Alif Analytics podcast, and we will bring IT professionals, industry professionals from different backgrounds to this podcast, and they'll be sharing with you the insights, their knowledge, and their experience in this Alif Analytics podcast. So, we have another webinar on Power BI for the data analytics and data visualization, and you can also join that webinar next week, like on next Saturday. So thank you so much everyone for joining. Jazakallah, best of luck. Allah Hafiz.